Alright, this is for real. I'm challenging anybody out there, anybody, NBA, street ballers, anybody who could take me. I've been practicing day and night. I got skills like you can't believe, dribbling skills. Hear that shit? Hear that shit? You don't want that coming at you. Dribbling skills, passing skill. I'm just gonna show you some stuff right now, and I'm challenging you to come take me. Anybody. I shoot like you wouldn't believe. I throw it down like LeBron James. I'm like sick and shit. Yo, check this. I'll fucking show you some shit right now. All right, let me see if I can put this phone down. Oh shit, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, wait a minute. You know, there's a lot of glare out here. This ball doesn't bounce well. Alright, let me see if I can get the angle so you can see me. Alright, so you can see the basket there, right? Alright, here we go. Nobody, I challenge anybody. Anybody. Hold on. Let me change balls. It's that ball, it doesn't bounce good. Alright, here we go. Oh shit. Alright. Check this shit. Oh. Alright, here we go. I got all kinds. I'll get it, just gotta warm up. Look at this. Oh. Look at this pass. Fake pass, fake pass, fake pass. Alright, I'll throw it down again. Reverse. Anybody. Challenge anybody. Look at this jump shot. Check out this jump shot. Oh, shit. Look at this. Off the glass, baby. Oh, shit. Oh. Check out this. Look at this. Oh, shit, I'm tired. I'm just a little tired because I was practicing a lot, but you can see all the skills. I challenge anybody to this shit. Anybody! Play me, dog.